Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. If you have been wondering how can you turn off the show activity status on Instagram, so basically you want nobody to be able to tell that you are active on Instagram or that you're not, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you turn off that option. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. Now before opening Instagram, you need to get something out of the way first. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for Instagram from there, open it, and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly, just like that. After that, you can finally go ahead and quit the store, and let's go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. From this menu that pops up from the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, we need to scroll down slowly until you find this option that says Messages and Story Replies. This one right here, tap on it to open it. And once you open it, you find the Show Activity Status option right here. And from here, you find this toggle that once you tap on it to switch it off, the activity status option will be turned off and nobody will be able to tell if you're active on your account on Instagram. Now another way you can find this option, you just go back to settings, and in the search bar at the top, go ahead and type in activity status. You find it at the very top, tap on show activity status, and just like that you can turn it off or on from here easily. If you don't find that option at all in your app, let me show you what you can do about it. Go back to your profile and tap right here in the three lines in the top right corner and go to settings again. Scroll all the way down and tap on help. From help, tap on report a problem at the very top. Now tap on report a problem without shaking. Then tap on include and continue. From here, we need to go ahead and describe our problem to the Instagram support team. Basically, we need to go ahead and tell them that we want to turn off the activity status feature or option, but we do not have it on our account for some reason, because basically there is something wrong with your account. You can just pause the screen and copy my message right here and then send it to them by tapping send in the top right corner, and they should get back to you with a solution within 24 to 48 hours. And that was basically it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and comment down below. Leave your concerns and opinions about this video in the comment section. I'll check every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.